thing, and excuses the Irish, we don't mean them to be bad.
No, it was like Father Ted got away with all that language,
which we could actually say if we wanted to.
Yeah, but I can't, because in my head that is a swear word. Because I couldn't believe,
but they fooled everybody else.
I couldn't believe, because, you know, growing up, we got in trouble if we said those things.
I can actually say that word now, at this time on TV, and not have this morning banned and taken off air.
I was like, go for it, Ava. Nothing to do with me.
So did you kind of start off with your wish list of guests? I really, really want to find out English people.
I mean, there's a couple of, you know, it's like this show, you know, if you're on the air for long enough, most people come around.
We're just grateful. No, we just anybody calls it welcome.
Yeah, well, it's about the same downstairs. But the big ones I've never had Madonna. But I think it's too late now. I think I sort of wanted Madonna about 10 years ago. Now she's sort of 2D working